Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. First, make sure your compatible smartphone is fully charged and has its Bluetooth feature turned on. Next, you'll need to download the official Galaxy wearable application from your phone's App Store. This essential app facilitates the entire connection process. Finally, power on your new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro by pressing and holding the home key, usually located on the side of the watch. This prepares your watch for pairing. Once the Galaxy wearable app is installed, open it on your smartphone. You'll see an option to Start New Device or Add New Device. Select this. The app will then search for nearby watches. Choose your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro from the list that appears. A unique pairing code will be displayed on both your phone and your watch. Confirm that these codes match. After confirmation, simply follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finalize the pairing and initial setup of your watch. After completing the setup, it's important to verify your connection. Open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. It should display a connected status for your watch. You can also swipe down on your watch face to access the quick panel and confirm the Bluetooth icon is active. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Always ensure both devices remain within a 10-meter Bluetooth range for a stable connection. With your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro successfully connected, you can now enjoy its full range of features. You'll receive all your smartphone notifications directly on your wrist, keeping you informed at a glance. The watch will also seamlessly track your fitness data, monitor health metrics like heart rate, and help you achieve your wellness goals. Plus, you can easily customize watch faces and app settings through the wearable app, and even make calls or send messages right from your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.